Hi everyone, so we tested the CTD and it turned out that it's working okay, and now we're ready for sampling. And I'm not actually in the middle of the sea now, but we'll try and do the moves of actual sampling again using SeaSave. And it actually begins the same. I press real-time data, start, and let's call this file mimic sampling, and make sure that the configuration file is the right one, and I start, and before communication I can put in some header info, which I don't, and switch on the CTD and wait for communication. As I selected to only start archiving when I push begin archiving, I now have communication. I can see the CTD results, but it's not logged on the disk. It's not saved yet. What I do at this stage, I lower the device to the water. I put it down to 5-meter depth, so it equilibrates with the actual ocean. Temperatures become the same, oxygen levels. We take out the bubbles from the device. I wait for the readings to stabilize. Then I take it up to the surface, and real-time data, start archiving. Now a file is formed on my PC, and every line here goes directly to the PC. Not as number, but as hexadecimal data. I do my sampling. Of course, I need to adjust the sampling, the SeaSave view to fit to my sampling, but I do my sampling. When I finish, again, I go to real-time data and I stop. I make sure to switch off the magnetic switch just to save battery life, and we're done sampling. That's the easy way if no problems are on the way. That's it.